Hey, just wanted to introduce you to our new tool that I've put in the Chrome Web Store. So it's a Chrome extension that you can install that will help with managing your Maropost Commerce Cloud store. At the moment, there's only 2 functions that it does, but I've got plans for more things to come. What it does initially is it enables a right-click menu that will take you directly to the Edit SKU page in the cPanel, and it will also take you to content to edit. So to give you a bit of a demo of what it does, on your store you've probably got on a product page you've probably got a specifications or something like that, or you might even show the SKU down the bottom of your product description. So anywhere where you see a SKU ID, you can use this right-click menu. I don't know about you, but before I had this functionality, if I noticed there was a problem with a product or I needed to edit the product or something, I'd be here and I would be copying the SKU, and then I'd be going into my cPanel and then viewing the products, then popping the SKU in, searching for the product, and then getting to the product. That's how I would have done it before. But with this menu, all you need to do is double click on the SKU, right click, and then go down to your tools for Maropost Commerce Cloud, and then click on Edit Selected SKU in cPanel. So you've got to have it selected. So I'll click on that, and that takes me straight to the page to edit the product. So it sort of eliminates all the copying and pasting or remembering the SKU and searching for the SKU or something like that in the cPanel. So it just makes it a lot faster. So the second thing that this Chrome extension is doing is with content pages. So any content page, like your About Us page or a category page, this works with your Contact Us page, those sorts of pages. If you can embed the content ID, so the number that's related to the content somewhere on the page, kind of like how we've got the SKU embedded here, you can use the right-click menu to take you right to that content edit page. So here on this site, I've embedded the ID for content down here in the footer, and I'll show you how to do this, or you can get a developer to do it for you however you want to implement it. But down here you see I've got a number here, 109. I've selected it, and then I right click and I choose Edit Selected Content in cPanel, and that takes me straight to that content page. Before, I'd be searching for the content, and if you've got multiple content types like product categories or brands or whatever, you'd be trying to hunt around for them or something like that. This just makes it really, really fast. So like with other content pages like blogs, so like our blog, go here, scroll down, see the number, right click on it, right click on it, and then go Edit Selected Content in cPanel. Takes you straight to that page, makes it really, really fast. So just quickly, if you want to implement the content ID down in the footer, like I've done it here, you can just quickly do that by going to your web store, settings and tools, all settings and tools, and then if you go down to the system templates and then click on web store templates, what that will do is it'll take you to a special page where you see all your web store templates, and then if you scroll down, the one that's active, you'll see all these are just ones that I've got here in this test site. The one that's expanded like this is the active theme. So you can go into footers, click on the plus, and then I can click on template, and that brings up the edit screen. Then all you need to do is kind of look for the text where you want to put the content ID. So if we have a look in here, it's kind of like where the copyright thing is. That's kind of where I put mine. So just scroll down now. All of the code stuff you can kind of ignore. Just looking for the copyright. There it is there. And you can see that's what I've added to the end. So we've got open square bracket, the @ symbol, content underscore ID, then the @ symbol and close square bracket. So just that code there. If you're not confident in this sort of screen here, a little bit worried about changing stuff, get a developer to do it for you. Just add that content ID. You can add it there or you can add it somewhere else. Just as long as you can get that number, then yeah, you'll be able to click on it, right click on it and go edit selected content in cPanel. While you're here and while you've installed it, make sure you click on your little puzzle icon and pin it to your taskbar, because I will be adding extra sort of features to this little M icon. At the moment, when you click on it, you'll see suggest a tool in there. If you click on that, it will take you to a Google form. And you can fill this out. If you do something that's like manual in the front end or in the back end, the cPanel, and you think maybe there could be a funky tool for that, like on a right-click menu or something else, then just fill in that form, and that'll come directly to me, and we'll see if we can implement it in the extension. That'd be really cool. We could all benefit from it. The other thing that I will mention is that basically anywhere where you can see a SKU on your site, whether they're in the cPanel or on the front end, you can use this functionality. So anywhere where you see a SKU, maybe there's a place where the SKU isn't linked. A good example of that is like sometimes when you see an order and like click on an order, see these SKUs here in an order are not linked. So it's like sometimes a little bit annoying because you know I want to go and see that SKU or something like that. So you can use this functionality here too. So I can double click on a SKU here in an order and then right click and then go edit selected SKU in cPanel. So it makes it really fast to go straight there if you need to actually see some details about the SKU. So with that said, I hope you enjoy the extension. Let me know if you've got any feedback. Fill in the form if you want to send me like a video or a tool idea. And yeah, looking forward to hearing from you. See ya.